The students of 12th welcome you all to a Viva class filled with stupidity and idiotism.
What's your name?
Suhail sir,
Which is your favorite subject?
communication sir.
Oh, really? Okay, what is the use of optical fiber?
Um, there are many uses for optical fiber, and optical fiber has many uses. The uses of optical fiber are many because there are many wide range of uses which are used using optical fiber.
Excuse me? Do you have any idea what you're talking about? I asked you to answer, not to repeat the question.
Sure, I was about to start now.
But you're going to start? So what are you waiting for? Some green signal or what?
Optical fiber is a kind of fiber, and it's a very good fiber. Optical fiber uses communication, and communication uses optical fiber. So optical fiber plays a crucial role in communication. Hence, this is optical fiber and its uses.
Done? Okay, what are you waiting for? Say hence proved also.
Hence, proved.
Oh, let it be. Tell me, what does ALU mean?
ALU means ALU, sir.
Huh? Oh, I'm really sorry. I didn't know that ALU means ALU. What's your roll number?
21, sir.
Itself if you pass?
Sir, give me an 8 or something.
You want an 8? Okay, do one thing. I'll go outside. You can put the mark and call me in.
Okay, sir, okay, it's okay. Give me a pass mark. That's enough.
And call the next guy.
Was it easy? Is he giving good scores? Tough questions?
Bah, rubbish. Take it light. Say whatever that comes to your head. That's enough. Huh. Now they are dead.
What's your name?
Ismail, sir.
Roll number, please.
9.
Okay. Yeah. What is a capacitor? What happened?
No, sir, I read that, sir. I read the day before, sir. Just the day before, sir.
Okay. Leave that. Now say. What is the difference between digital and analog communication? What is it now?
I read that, sir. I read that just yesterday, sir. Just yesterday. I read the full chapter, sir. Except this one. Just this one, sir.
Oh. Okay then. Tell me this. What do you mean by apashampam girigiri?
I read that, sir. I read that just before I came here, sir. Just before.
Oh really? You know what? Even I don't know what I just said. And you're saying that you learned this?
Sir,
Just get out now.
sir, marks.
Marks? For what you want marks? For hissing like a snake?
Sir.
Get out now, please. Name, please.
Shibil, sir.
Roll number?
22, sir.
Okay. So, Shibil. What is a CNG?
Pass.
Pass? Do you think it's a picnic game? Okay, another question. Why do you need cathode in a reaction?
We need cathode in a reaction because the reaction is completed. But the reaction cannot be completed without cathode. So we need cathode in the reaction.
Huh? Do you know what you just said? It's like life is a boat, boat is a life, so it is a lifeboat. Get out now. What's your name?
Nadir, sir.
Okay. Roll number?
12.
12. Okay, Nadir. How does the processor work? You want me to say? What's the problem?
It's coming, sir.
What is coming?
The answer. Sir, can you repeat the question, sir?
What? You forgot the question itself? Oh. Alright. How does a processor work?
Sir, the processor works according to the process. The process of processor is the processing of process. When a process comes into the processor processes the process and sends according to the process. So this process of processing the process is done by the processor. This is the main
Hey,
function of the processor.
stop. What is this? Always just about processor, nothing else but just processor.
So,
Okay, I'll give you one more chance. Okay?
okay, sir.
Let me see. Yeah. What are different types of diodes? Hey, look. I'm warning you for the final time, okay? First of all, stop making these doshas in the air. If you know, say the answer. Otherwise, say you don't know the answer.
Sir.
Go away now.
Sir, marks.
Marks? So what do you want marks? To make a dosha in the air? Go away now, please. Name please?
Adil, sir.
Roll number?
26.
26. Okay. Yeah. Tell me about Vag theory.
Okay, sir. Okay. What theory? Yeah, right. It plays an important role, sir. Okay, sir. It plays a crucial part, sir. Okay. It's an important process, sir. Okay.
Hold on. Plays an important role. It plays a crucial part. It's an important process. Same things, right? Say something else.
Okay, sir. Okay. Without this, we cannot accomplish the task, sir. Okay, sir. Okay.
Oh, everyone is the same. Okay. Here's your last question.
Okay.
Tell me the principle of meter bridge.
Okay. Principle. Yeah. Principle. The principle of meter bridge is based on the principle of Wheatstone bridge. Okay, sir. Okay.
You know what you just said?
Sir, I said correctly only, sir.
You're arguing with me? You think I don't know anything?
Yes, sir.
Oh, so you think I don't know anything, huh? Okay, tell me what is impulsion?
Sir, impulsion.
What is
sir.
depression?
Sir, let
What
me
is
explain,
repression?
Sir.
What is compulsion?
Sir.
No, just
Sir,
shut up
no,
and get
sir.
out now.
Sir, please, sir.
No, you got a big zero, now move
Sir,
out.
please, sir.
How was it?
It was really bad.
Even I didn't do it.
Same here. Come on, let's ask for a second chance.
Okay.
Okay, then let's go.
Sir?
Yes?
Sir, can we have one more chance?
No.
Sir, please.
I am sorry. You may leave.
Sir, please.
No, it's not possible.
Come on, guys, let's go. It's up to you.
Sure.
Sorry guys, I'm a bit late. So let's start the Viva.
Viva?
Yeah, Viva.
It's already over.
Over? Who conducted it?
He.
Good morning, sir.
Who? He. Guys, he's a super senior. He failed 3 times in Viva and this is his 4th attempt.
What?
Yeah, 4th attempt.
Super senior?